girls, and welcome to Recording Guitar. We have CKay here featuring AYRA STARR called Come Close. That's the title of the song. And yeah, it's pretty easy. It's just a strumming pattern that works for 3 different chords, and that's it. Alright, so we'll start to set our capo here on the 4th fret. And I get many questions about this with the capo. And the reason for I'm using the capo is because that makes our guitar life that much easier. So if we really want to match up with the original song, then it's easy to use a capo. Otherwise, we would have strange and hard chords just unnecessarily. So that's the reason. And if you don't want to use the capo, just want to mention that out, you can use still the same chords we're learning here on Recording Guitar. It will just sound many times higher or lower depending on where you set your capo. But that's the reason, to match up with the sound and have the easiest chords possible. So I just want to let that out so we know the reason for this one. So get a capo if you can. If you don't have the possibility to get a capo, just use the same chords we're learning here. It will not match up with the original song, but you will still have the same song. All right, so with that said, 3 chords capo on the 4th fret. And the chords we're going to look at now is the F, the G, and the A. So starting with the F, we have a bar chord here on the 1st fret, bar, all strings. And then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's the F. Next chord will be the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Yeah, so F, G, and A. Let's look at the strumming pattern we will work with for these chords. So F will be the first chord, grab that one. So we'll look at the strumming with that chord. So one strumming round will be down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so slowly like this. Down, down, up, clap, down. So a couple of rounds slower, so you get this in a context. It will sound like this. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Yeah, so that's it. So now just let's look at the chord progression and how many times you're gonna do this strumming pattern. So one chord progression round will be F, 2 rounds of the strumming, then G, 2 rounds of strumming, then F, 2 rounds of strumming, G, 1 round, and A, 1 round. And that's it. That is what works through the entire song. So again, F2, G2, F2, G1, A1. Sounds like this. Again, F, G, G, F, G, that pretty much covers CKay's AYRA STARR's Come Close. So see you again, guys. Till next time, play tuned.